Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wallbox MyWallbox for EV charger scheduling step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Wallbox website. Locate the MyWallbox option on the homepage. Click on the MyWallbox link to proceed. On the MyWallbox login page, find the login fields. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Input your password in the second field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your email and password, click the Login button. Wait for the page to load and for your dashboard to appear. If you are logged in successfully, you will see your account overview. From the dashboard, navigate to the scheduling section for your EV charger. Follow the provided options to set your charging schedule. Save your changes to ensure your settings are applied. Log out of your account when you are finished using it. Ensure to keep your login details secure for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.